Hello everyone. I'm sorry that I had to end the video so fast just last night actually. But I guess I could say this is the ending of the video. It's kind of bright outside. We have our basketball court, see? Oh, and I forgot you couldn't see the sky last night. But now you can see the playground. So yeah, you want to see it? Right there. Want to see Max? Max, say hi to the camera. Camera time. He is very excited. So yeah, here's our fridge. I was actually thinking of going for a walk because it's nice and cool right now. So I'm gonna go get my shoes on and go for a walk. See you guys later.